Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can clear the history in the Waze application on your iOS device. So let's start open the Waze, then open my Waze. Now tap on the search bar and how you can see there we have a history. Just open it, and if you want to remove, just click the history. And now if you want to remove the places from the history, click here on this three dot icon and choose remove. Configure it by remove, and that's it. After the restore application we shouldn't have any history. How you can see, there is no history. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.